Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about voltage tester. So this is the device. On this edge there is a neon lamp, and on the other side it looks like a screwdriver. You can use it for a screwdriver. If I plug it in the contact and if there is a positive charge, it starts to glow. When I touch the metal end, this is strictly forbidden for kids, so don't do it at home, kids. But the explanation is that the current flows through my arm to the ground and close the circuit. So if I put it and I touch the back, the current flows through my arms, but the current is low, so I don't feel it. Okay, so we can make a small presentation to explain it in details what's going on. Okay, here is the explanation of the voltage tester. So it's like a screwdriver. This version is like a screwdriver, so you can use it as a screwdriver. And here you can see there is a lamp, neon lamp, and it's connected to a spring, to a metal body for contact with the finger. If you put it inside the plug, and if it's the positive phase, then the current starts to flow. Here the resistance is very high, so the current is very low, but basically it's come from here, run through the body, and go through the ground and close the circuit. So it looks like this. The output, the source, then it's the wire, then it's the resistance, neon lamp, and our body is another wire with a high resistance, and we also have a capacity, so it's capacity, and goes through the ground. Even if you are in the air, you can, because you have some capacity, you can put some charge over here. Even if you jump in the air, and it still glow, because the current will come putting the charge over here and it will glow. But the current is very low, and the resistance over here is like 200 or 300 kilo ohm, so it's high resistance, and this is prepared to be used for 220 volts. If you use it for high voltage, then this could be dangerous, so don't use it for high voltage. Also, the voltage tester could be broken, so it could indicate there is no voltage, but indeed there are voltage, so be careful. Don't take it as granted that there's no voltage if the white doesn't glow. Okay, if you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel and give a thumb up like the guy over here. See you.